Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Now once you're on your profile, make sure that you are logged on to your Facebook account. Now just at the bottom right corner, you can see the option of menu. Just tap on it. Now once you are here, scroll down below and tap on the option of settings and privacy. Now tap on the option of settings on top. Now under settings and privacy page, you'll see account center on top. And just under account center, you can see more in account center at the bottom. So tap on that option. With that, you'll be led to this page. Now under account settings, you can see password and security. So tap on that option of password and security. With that, you will come across this page. Now you can see the option of two-factor authentication. So tap on that option. Now tap on your name that is appearing on top. With that, you'll come across this page where you have to re-enter your password in order to continue further. So let me enter my password here and then just tap on continue. Now let's wait for some time. And once you are here across this page, you can see that I have set my two-factor authentication for text message SMS. Now just below, you can also see various options like authentication app or security keys. You can select any of these options that you preferred for your two-factor authentication method. So just below how you get login codes, you can see text message SMS. So I'll be getting my verification code on SMS. So in order to turn it off, I'm going to tap on text message SMS and just proceed further. Now once you are here, you can see that the toggle for text message SMS has been turned on, which means that I'll be getting my code on my text message SMS on my mobile device. Now I'm simply going to turn off this toggle for text message SMS. Now you'll see this pop-up which states that your account will no longer have extra layer of protection. Just simply tap on turn off at the bottom. Now let's wait for a while. Now you can see that your two-factor authentication is off. Now you have to enter your password. Now at last, you'll come across this page which states that you can turn on your security method by choosing any of these options. So for now, our two-factor authentication has been turned off. You can choose any of these methods, either authentication app, text message, or security keys to turn it on again. So this is it for today, and that's how you turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Thanks for staying with us till the end.